What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Muzen Wild Mini Rugged Compact Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. Big shout out to Muzen for sending this over for a review. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below. So this comes in different colors. Comes in dark yellow, gray, green, Z Cyber, and Z Cyber Pro. And like I said, I'll leave the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details. Now this is going to be a great little speaker that's going to easily fit in your bag or the palm of your hand. This features Bluetooth 5.0. This is going to work up to 33 feet away. And it's going to easily connect to your smartphones or your tablets. So it's 99% compatible. Portable size and has high sound quality. Easy to wear on your outside backpacks. This features IPX5 deep waterproof. Perfect speaker for the beach, sailing, camping, and hiking. So it's waterproof, dustproof, and anti-drop. Now this features 3 lighting modes for outdoor lighting. You're going to have strong light, weak light, and SOS mode. And here's the function diagram. As you guys see, flashlight, play, pause, and next. You get a full seal charging port, so it's going to keep the water and dust and stuff out. You got a sealed speaker port as well. Then next you got your power, Bluetooth, and light. And then you have your volume control right there. So we will definitely take a look at all of that stuff as we get this open up and check it out here. So here's the packaging that it comes in. It comes with this nice little bag right here. Very nice presentation here, Muzen. And it has muzenaudio.com right there. If you flip this over, Born to be Wild. So nice presentation here. And then when you pull it out of this box, out of this bag, I should say, there it is. We're going to set the bag over to the side. And then you get this nice carrying case here for your speaker. As you guys see, Born to be Wild. Wild Mini Portable Bluetooth Speaker 2.0. And yeah, so here it is. It's going to give you some more specs and stuff on the back that you guys can pause and read yourself right there. Battery size, the weight of it is only 251 grams. And things like that. That's the battery. It's a 1,000 milliamp hour battery. Things like that. So let's go ahead and get this cracked open. So you do have a tab right here that you can pull. And that takes care of that. And got a little branding right there on the box too. So nice presentation. And here it is on the inside of it. Nice padded container here, box. As you guys see, there's the speaker. It says Born to be Wild. And here's the little speaker. So this is very compact, man. Military style look to it. Has a little heft to it. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the packaging. So in the packaging, you're going to get your charging cable, type A to type C, right there. And you're going to get your user's manual. Going to let you know what all you need to do to get this thing working right there. So you get that stuff in the box. We're going to put the box over to the side as well. And let's take a look at the speaker. So they send me out this looks like the green color. Green and black. Now this feels like all metal construction here. This definitely feels like if you drop it, it's not going to be damaged. You got some branding back here on the back, some of the specs. Got a little place here for your lanyard. You got your flashlight right there. Here's your charging port on this side, covered up. Keep dust and debris out. You got your speaker here. Now this is going to be for your pause, play, and forward. This button here. And it also push in. You got your power on, Bluetooth, and flashlight right here. This button here. And this is your volume control right here. Very nice looking device here. This also marked volume right there. And it tells you to press for the flashlight, Bluetooth, and on and off. And then, like I said, this is for pause, play, and play. Pause, play, reverse, and forward. So here's the bottom of it. Do have some little rubber feet there. And very nice. So I'm going to get a phone, and we're going to try this out. Get it connected and see what it sounds like. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We're going to connect it to this. That is a beautiful device right there. But it's not about the phone today. So here's the device here. We're going to go ahead and power this on. Now you take this switch and you just hold down on it. So it gives you like a Morse code type sound. And as you guys see, there's a flashing LED letting you know that it is in the pairing mode. Let's go ahead and try out the flashlight first. So to do the flashlight, this same switch right here, you just hold down on it. And there's the flashlight on. Now that's going to be the high. That's going to be your SOS right there, as you guys see. And then you're going to have your low setting right here, the medium, where it's not so bright. That's your high, and then you're going to click one more time. And that's going to be your SOS right there. So that is the flashlight function right there. Very easy. When you turn it off, you're still in your pairing mode. So let's go to Bluetooth. And I'm going to say pair a new device. Right away it comes up the Muzen Wild Mini. We're going to go ahead and pair that. Allow access to contacts and history. I'm going to go ahead and pair. So it is paired. Let's go back into the Bluetooth setting again. I want to see what's all offered here. So within the phone, you're going to have spatial audio. You can tick that on. Media audio, allow contact to access to contacts. And that is the stuff you have in here. And then you can disconnect or forget. So that is that. You can rename this as well, but I'm going to leave it as that. So that is what you get with that part of it. Let's go ahead and go into some music here and try this out. So I got my music app open. Let's go ahead and play this selection here. Wow, that is actually loud, guys. I'm going to see if I can increase the volume. You guys see over here, as I lower, twist this knob, and raise it, you guys can see the volume going up and down. That is, this little speaker is incredibly loud, man. Let's see if we can go forward or reverse. Let's go back first. So I'm going to just twist the button. As you guys can see, it went back to the previous track. Let's go forward. Let's go forward again. And let's see if we can pause the track. So it gives you an SOS type audible when it pauses. And the same when you restart it. So the controls on this are very simple and easy, and it works great. But the sound that's coming from this little speaker is incredible, man. Wow, that is awesome. Let's go back. All right, we're going to pause it. So that is really, really loud, man. It sounds great. I don't hear any distortion or anything like that. Now, I'm going to take it outside and try it outside in the elements and see how it sounds out there. So let's go outside right quick. All right, guys, so we have the speaker outside. Get a closer look at the speaker here. I'm going to set it on the back of my truck. And we're going to play some music and see how far I can walk away from it and see how it sounds from a distance. So I'm going to go ahead and get my phone out here, my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Here it is. Let's go ahead and get into it. There it is. Let's go ahead and crank it up. And the speaker is playing now. So I can control the volume through my phone as well. Let's go ahead and crank it up. I'm going to walk away from it. As you guys see, it is still playing and we are a good ways from it. I have the volume cranked all the way up. There's a vehicle passing by, but I can still hear the sound. And I'm about 30 feet away, I guess. And I have it cranked all the way up. So still playing, and it sounds great. So if you're outside in your patio or something like that, so this little speaker will be good. I'm gonna turn it down as I walk up. Yeah, it definitely would do good if you're sitting out on your patio, or if you're out camping or doing something like that. It's gonna be great. But here it is, the Muzen Wild Mini. Great little device here, guys. Let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the Muzen Wild Mini rugged, compact, waterproof Bluetooth speaker. As you guys see, it has some great sound. If you're outside with the elements out there, whether you're camping, hunting, fishing, just sitting around your barbecue or whatever, this is going to put out some great sound, man. And it has a great feature with the flashlight as well. The controls are easy to work. Yeah, just a solid build as well. You don't have to worry about if it falls over. And it's also waterproof as well, dust and waterproof. And it'll work with any one of these phones or tablets, no matter if you got iOS or Android. It's definitely going to work. And a great price as well. So this is one going to last you a long time. It has a 1,000 milliamp hour battery. So I haven't really checked the battery, how long it'll last on battery, but very nice, man. Looks great and a great build. So I'll definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick this up. Will H. I'm out.